You use ChatGPT, you use Claude, and every time they think through a problem step by step that comes from one paper. No new model, no new data, just 2 words added to a prompt. And AI started to reason. This is chain of thought, and let's get into it. The best AI models in the world scored near zero on basic math. They made the models bigger, didn't help. Nobody knew why. Same model, but on the right, the model shows it works first, and it gets the right answer. That's literally the whole idea. From the actual paper, left standard prompting, wrong answer. Right reasoning steps first, correct answer. Same model, completely different outcome. Here's what's almost funny about this paper. The idea is so simple. Just include a few examples where the reasoning is shown step by step. That's it. Oh, but it only works if the model is above 100 billion parameters. That's the catch. So in practice, you give the model a few solved examples, but with the full reasoning shown, not just the answer. Then you ask your real question the same way. The model picks up the pattern and starts reasoning through it. You pull the final answer from the last line. This is what I find really interesting. It's not just math. Common sense, date, sport trivia, robot instructions. The same trick works across all of these. So on GSM-8K, which is a grade school math benchmark, standard prompting 17.9%. PALM with standard prompting 55%. PALM with chain of thought 58.1%. Same model, just the prompt changed. This is the key finding, and it's kind of wild. Small models, chain of thought barely helps, sometimes makes it worse. Large models, performance jumps dramatically. It's not a gradual improvement, it just suddenly works once you hit a certain scale. One's from a related paper, but it's too good to skip. Turns out you don't even need examples. Just add let's think step by step to any question. 5 words, that's all. Another related paper, instead of asking once, you ask the same question multiple times, get different reasoning chains, and take the majority vote. GSM-8K goes from 58.1% to 74.4%, no extra training, just asking the question more than once. AI you'd call a thinking AI today traces back to this paper. 0103 Claude Extended Thinking, DeepSeek R1. All of it is built on this same core idea. It's pretty upfront about the limit. Doesn't work for small models, large scale only. And here's the scary part. The model can produce a totally confident, step-by-step reasoning chain and still get the wrong answer. It also doesn't fix factual errors. If the model believes something wrong, chain of thought won't help with that. What's me about this paper is how simple it is. No new model, no new architecture, just show the AI how to think. And it worked. The real insight was that these models could reason all alone. They just needed space to show their work. Nobody had actually tried that before this paper. 1. Large models scored near zero on math. Making them bigger didn't fix it. 2. Chain of thought is just adding reasoning examples to your prompt. That's the whole thing. 3. GSM-8K went from 17.9% to 58.1%. Same model, different prompt. 4. Only works above 100B parameters. It's emergent, not a universal trick. 5. This paper is the direct origin of every thinking AI system you use today. So that chain of thought, 2 words, think step by step, and AI started to reason. That's kind of insane when you think about it.